Good morning, everyone. I am Tripta Sharma, developer of Vedanta School, Emerging One class. So, my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and stay safe and healthy at your places. So, students, now it's time for English session. So, bring out your child-centric English perfection toolkit one of two, joyful C, and take out your English notebook with your pencil and eraser. Yes. And now open page number 24. So students, in previous session we did this part of this page. So are you doing practice at home of reading these IE sound words? Yes, students. And written practice. Very good. Keep it up. So once again, you have to read this page. Okay. So let's start. It's beaver, bat, I.e. insect, jigger, goat. It's bird, egg, big. Bird, egg, big. Next one. Deer, duck, I.e. insect, jigger, goat. So it's the egg, dig. The egg, dig. Next one, the picture of a fish. So the beginning sound of fish is F and the phonic sound of F is F. F for fish, i.e. insect and no nut. So it's become fur in fin, fur in fin. Okay. Next one, it's J, J, jam, i.e. insect, jigger, goat. So it's J, egg, jig, J, egg, jig. Next one, as a sun, i.e. insect and no nut. So it's in sin, in sin. Next one, W for whale, i.e. insect and no nut. So it's were in when, were in when. Next one, ip sound words. So it's D, duck, i.e. insect, people, parrot. So it's the dip. Next one, this is nut, i.e. insect, people, parrot. So it's nip, nip. Okay. Now again, it's some words. So it's rip, rabbit, i.e. insect, people, parrot. So it's rip. Next one, as a sun, i.e. insect, people, parrot. So it's sip. Next one, teeter top, i.e. insect, people, parrot. So it's tip. Next, it sound words. So it's beaver, bat, i.e. insect, teeter, top. So students, you have to speak the phonic sound. It's bit. Next one, apple, fish, i.e. insect, teeter, top. So it's fur, it, fit. Next one, horse, i.e. insect, teeter, top. So it's hit, hit. Next one, cake, kite, i.e. insect, teeter, top. So it's kit. Next, line, i.e. insect, teeter, top. So it's lit. And now let's let's do this part. So again, it's on words. So it's as a sun, i.e. insect, teeter, top. So speak the phonic sound. It's it, sit. Sit means back now. Sit. Okay. Next one. This is a picture of a whale. So the beginning sound of whale is W, and the phonic sound of W is W. W, whale. I, insect. T, top. Now it becomes it, wit, it, wit, wit, which means intelligence. Okay, wit. Now eight sound words. So it's beaver, bag, insect, duck. So it's it, bait, it, bait. Bait means make efforts or do something. Okay, bait. Bait. Next one, this is a picture of a horse. So the beginning sound of horse is H, and the phonic sound of H is her. Her, horse. Insect. Duck. So it's her, it, hit. Next one, this is a picture of a kite. So the beginning sound of kite is K and the phonic sound of K is K. Cake, kite, insect, duck. So it's it, kid, kid. Okay. Next one, this is a picture of a lion. So this is lion, insect, duck. So it's lid, it, lid, lid means dhakkan. Now this is a picture of a rabbit. So the beginning sound of rabbit is R and the phonic sound of R is R. Rabbit. Insect. Duck. So it's red, 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 red means unwanted thing or person. Okay, red. So once again, read this. It's in sound words. So for in, fin, so in, sin, were in, when, and this is ig sound words. Ig, big, ig, dig, ig, jig. Next one, ip sound words. Ip, dip, ip, nip, ip, rip, ip, tip, ip, sip. Next, it sound words. It's it, bit, it, fit, it, hit, it, kit, it, lit, it, sit, it, wit. Next, it sound words. It's it, bit, it, hid, it, kid, it, lid, it, red. Okay, students. So in this way, you have to do practice of reading these IE sound words, right, students? And you have to do practice in your English notebook also. So now it's writing time. So take out your English notebook with your pencil and eraser. Yes. Start writing. So let's write sit, sit. So first sound is S, second sound IE, third sound T, T. It's it, sit, it, sit. Next one wit. So it's W, then IE, then teeter. It's were it, wit. Next one, bit sound. So it's first sound beaver. Then second sound IE. Third sound did. It's it, bit, bit. Next one, head. So her, then IE, then did. It's it, hid. Next one, kid. So it's cake, then IE, did. It's kid, kid. Next one, lid. So first sound L, then IE, then third one did. It's it, lid, it, lid. Next one, rid. R, then IE, then did. It's it, rid, it, rid. Okay, students. So in this way, you have to practice on regular basis, right? So now the rest of the page we will do tomorrow, right? Till then, you have to do practice of reading these IE sound words and send me your regular videos, okay? And do your written work also on daily basis. So now today's English session is over.